Another ThinkPad is in the studio. Oh, another ThinkPad is in my room. It's the Lenovo Thinkpad E590. Yeah. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Lenovo Thinkpad E590. I'm also going to be sharing my thoughts and my experience with this laptop. So, yeah, let's go. My name is Yudi at Tech. Let's shoot. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. It's awesome having you here. I review tech, gadgets, consumer gadgets like this laptop I'm reviewing in this video. So hope you guys make a good purchase decision. So if you're into that, consider subscribing to the channel. First, let's go through the unboxing. So this is what we get in the box: the safety and warranty guide, the charger, and the laptop itself, the ThinkPad E590. Let's open up the laptop for the first time. Remove that sheet. Nice. Now the specs of the Lenovo Thinkpad E590. It's a 15-inch notebook with a resolution of 1366 by 768, a 720p webcam. It is made out of metal and plastic. It's running Windows 10, and my variant here has the Intel Core i5-8265U CPU at 1.6 GHz and turbo speed of 3.9 GHz, 4 gigs of RAM, and a 500 gig hard disk drive. This model costs roughly $800 or 325,000 naira. Now let's take a look at the ports and the entire system. At the right side we have the SD card slot, a USB type A port, Ethernet port, and the Kensington lock. At the back we have nothing. At the left side we have the USB type C port for charging, the HDMI port, two USB type A ports, a headphone microphone port, and at the front we have nothing. The vents are located right in between the hinges below the display. It's made out of aluminum and plastic. So the top of the laptop is made out of aluminum and the rest of the laptop is made out of plastic, including the back. The screen on the ThinkPad E590 is 15.6 inches and it has a resolution of 1366 by 768. It's not touch enabled and viewing angles are not that great. The laptop hinge can move up to 180 degrees and you can't open the laptop using just one hand. Trust me, I tried. The laptop is quite thin, it's just 0.8 inches thick and it's about 2.1 kilograms, same as my laptop. By the way, I use the Lenovo Thinkpad T440p. And yes, I also reviewed it on the channel. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below so you can go check it out right after this video. Opening up the laptop, we see the keyboard. It's a chiclet keyboard. It is well made and reflects typical ThinkPad quality. It is very comfortable to type on and at the same time it is not super loud. There is no keyboard light. Below the keyboard is a touchpad which is good. It's your regular ThinkPad touchpad. It's good. I like the buttons right above it. Also, the entire touchpad can be pressed down. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, please do subscribe to the channel. That will really help me out a lot. Just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. You could also follow me on my socials right here. Okay, thanks. Back to the video. Now, performance. How does the ThinkPad perform? Well, my model has 4 gigs of RAM and the Intel Core i5-8265U processor running at 1.6 GHz. Performance was not good. For normal apps like Microsoft Word, Excel, and Edge browser, they work fine. But for more demanding apps, oh no. I tried video editing on DaVinci Resolve and no way. DaVinci Resolve did open and technically it was working, but it was so slow, like video playback was at 1 frame per second slow. I had high expectations for this laptop considering that it's an 8th generation processor, but I didn't spend a lot of time with this laptop, and the reason why it might have been so slow was maybe because I didn't update the drivers for the laptop. But still, don't buy this laptop if you're going to be doing some video editing, playing games, or any graphic intensive app for that matter. This laptop will be good for office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, considering the great keyboard and battery life. Oh, I haven't even talked about battery life. So this laptop could last for 6 hours easy, even more. So battery life on the ThinkPad E590 is great. So don't buy this laptop for graphic intensive apps or games. You wouldn't enjoy it at all. But for office applications, web browsing, watching movies, this laptop is great. Battery life is awesome. But if you did get this laptop, I would like to know what your experience was. Were you able to game on it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you watched this video to the end, thank you so much. Remember to give this video a like if you haven't already, and also tell me in the comment section what you think of the Lenovo Thinkpad E590. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on your notifications so you'll be one of the first to know when I upload my next video. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shu. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.